Hey Spices, it is harvest season in the garden, which means all the bell peppers are ready at once. And since our friends at Comb sent us these steam baskets, we are going to make some stuffed bell peppers in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to decore and de-seed these bell peppers. I'm just pulling it out. And we're just going to continue to do that with all of them. Alright, so once you de-seeded and decored your bell peppers, you'll want to get 2 cups of rice. We always make rice ahead of time, make it once a week, and my family snacks on it. So this is just leftover rice that we had extra. So this is 2 cups of rice. And then you'll want to get 1 cup of spaghetti sauce or meat sauce. I always go ahead and make a bunch of this up, and then we eat it through the week as well. So you'll want to get 1 cup of your meat sauce. And if you want to know how to make it, I will link the video above in the iCard or in the description box below. Go ahead and stir that together. And then 1 cup of mozzarella. And then stir all the ingredients together. And now we are going to take our mixture and we're going to just fill the bell peppers with the mixture. And then we are going to put them in our steam basket, and we are just pushing all the rice mixture. We're packing it in so it will be nice and filling. And this mixture fits about 5 bell peppers, and it also fits 5 in the steam basket. Now, if you don't have a steam basket, you can use a trivet, but I like steam baskets because you can kind of just squeeze them in. You don't have to worry about them falling over. You can just go ahead and just put it in your pot, not have to worry about really much. It's just easy to use. Alright, so now we're going to take our pot and we're going to put 1 cup of water at the bottom. And then we are going to take our steam basket and put it right in. And now we're going to put the lid on. Turn it on sealing. Alright, so we're going to turn on the manual button. And we want to cook it for 8 minutes. And then we're gonna let it naturally release for about 5 minutes. Yes, guys, we have reached over 1 million views here on this channel. And to help celebrate that we have reached such an amazing number, we have teamed up with this company, and they are going to give 1 of these steam baskets to 3 of our subscribers here on this channel. If you would like to be entered in the giveaway, comment down below with the hashtag #ILikeItSpicy. After it's been naturally releasing for 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and release the valve. Alright, so now we're going to open it up. And now we are going to add some mozzarella. And we're just going to put it right over the top. And now we're going to just put the top back on, just to let the steam and the heat inside the pot just melt the cheese. Thank you guys so much, and of course if you would like to purchase this product, I will link it in the description box below. And if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.